Teaching young children swimming isn't wrong. Welcome to Broken English on Fluent American, where we take a look at one sound and study how to pronounce it by looking at spelling, word pairs, and practice sentences. My name is Geoff, and today we are looking at the ng sound. Ng, like in song, song. Now, to make the ng sound, it can be a little bit difficult. What you want to do is raise the back of your tongue to the top of your mouth. It will touch the soft palate. Ng, ng. As you make this ng sound, you will feel air flow from your nose, not your mouth. The air comes here, not here, up around here, through your nose. Ng, ng. We'll also give some quick tips if you're struggling to pronounce this sound. Let's compare the ng sound of song, starting with the g sound of good. So when you make that g sound, g in good, you'll feel the back of your tongue go up, but air will be going through your mouth, so it will go out here. When you say song, song, you'll feel the air go out here. So again, compare good to song. Similarly, for the R sound, R like in rough, rough. Again, you will feel air go through your mouth, but the back of your tongue will raise, rough, rough. Lastly, the ah sound, ah like in stop, stop, is almost the exact opposite of the ng sound. The back of your tongue goes down and air goes through your mouth. So when you say ah, stop, the back of your tongue is going down. Let's now look at the ng sound in a couple of practice words. I will say each twice. Ring, ring. Sing, sing. Wrong, wrong. Lung, lung. Pang, pang. Singing, singing. Let's compare the ng of sing with the n sound, the letter n of sin. I'll say each of these pairs twice. Sun, sung, sun, sung. Thin, thing, thin, thing. Pan, pang, pan, pang. Ton, tongue, ton, tongue. Stun, stung, stun, stung. He sang a ton of songs in the sun. Teaching swimming, teaching swimming. Wrong thing, wrong thing. Singing songs, singing songs. Being annoying, being annoying. Stung tongue, stung tongue. Teaching young children swimming isn't wrong. Wrong. Teaching young children swimming isn't wrong. Second sentence. Anything you bring is a blessing. Blessing. Bring is a blessing. Anything. Anything you bring is a blessing. Third sentence. His wings and lungs are looking strong. Strong. Looking strong. Wings. Wings and lungs. His wings and lungs are looking strong. Last sentence. Who sings songs with a stung tongue? Tongue. Stung tongue. Sings. Sings songs. Who sings songs with a stung tongue? That concludes our time today on the ng sound, like in song, song. For more information on this and other sounds in American English pronunciation, be sure to visit our website or subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates on when the latest videos come out. My name is Geoff. Thanks for your time. We'll see you in our next video. Take care.